Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Again, I want to thank everyone for your support on the channel. All the viewers, all the subscribers, immensely appreciate the support. Today I thought I'd do a quick video updating you guys on the dividend payments for the portfolio. I try to do at least one of these videos per month, updating you guys on the dividend payments that are received, as well as total value of the dividends. After a very good week last week, the portfolio value is now up over $151,000. And as you guys remember from my prior portfolio review videos, I try to invest a lot of my capital into high yield blue chip companies, dividends around 3 to 5% or so. So this will be a kind of a typical month in the portfolio. It's not one of the better months, and it's probably actually, after I think about it, probably one of the lower months with regards to the number of dividend payments, 20 for the month of January, as well as the total value of those dividends, $300 for the month of January. So not too bad, but not the best month, and probably low average for the portfolio in general. December typically is a very good month. Last month I had well over 38 payments, as well as dividends, I think a little bit over $1,600. But for January here, definitely not quite the best month, but just because a lot of the stocks I hold a lot of capital in don't pay out in the month of January. So having said all that, let's jump into the stocks here. Again, 20 dividend payments for about $300 or so for the month of January. So starting on the bottom there, GRMN Garmin, $1.02. And a lot of these dividend payments, I'll just point out, are not that substantial just because I hold one share of most of these stocks. And again, these aren't a lot of the stocks I have a lot of capital invested in. Next stock there, CNI, CenterPoint Energy, 33 cents. PTY, High Yield Fund, 13 cents. And most of the high yield funds that I will reference here pay out on a monthly basis. HBAN, Huntington Bank Shares, 44 cents. PCM, another high yield fund, 16 cents. Kimberly-Clark, a very good blue chip company. KMB, $1.94. Another good blue chip company. PepsiCo, PEP, $3.22. A high yield bond fund, BHK, 7 cents. Illinois Toolworks, 78 cents. One of my favorite income stocks, dividend stocks, real estate investment trust, $2.55. Next, healthcare stock, CAH, Cardinal Health, $2.77. Next stock is the largest real estate investment trust that I have in my portfolio, Apple Hospitality, APLE. This stock pays out on a monthly basis, $14. A couple more real estate investment trusts or REITs here as well. STAG, Stag Industrial, 12 cents. FRT, Federal Realty, $4, and that recently increased its dividend, and this is the only dividend king in the portfolio. Another high yield fund I've done quite a bit of videos about, done a lot of day and swing trading with this stock, PSAC, Prospect Capital, $18.36. GE just put out a video contrasting this stock with some other good contrarian investment plays that may be out there, but GE has definitely been struggling, but still has a pretty good dividend there, $3.36, even though it was recently reduced. SYY, Cisco, 36 cents. And then up on the top here, a few more stocks that are pending payments here. I just put out a video about ORI as well. Did a dividend capture swing trade, $252. Special dividend, $1 per share. That trade worked out very, very well. It's actually trading much higher than when I purchased the stock before the ex-dividend date. Guggenheim here, GOF, another high yield fund. Still pending here. Only have one share, or actually I have 4 shares, 73 cents. And then rounding out the dividend payments, one of my favorite ETFs, exchange traded funds, SPHD, 26 shares, paying out 13.84 cents a share, $3.60. And I like this because it's a very low cost ETF and it pays out on a monthly basis. So very good for new investors jumping onto Robinhood without a lot of capital. So again, 20 payments, about $300 or so for those payments. Not one of the best months with the portfolio, but still a very good month nonetheless with dividend payments. So just wanted to do a quick video here updating you guys on dividend payments for the portfolio. Let me know how you guys are doing with your dividend stock portfolio. Are you switching more to growth stocks? The market has been on a historic bull run. A lot of my stocks are in high yield funds that are more of a dividend investor type of strategy, not necessarily growth oriented. I know a lot of you guys have been investing in the FANG stocks, stocks such as Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Google, those sorts of stocks definitely have been having a tremendous year this year. But I have been a little bit more conservative with the portfolio, done a lot of day and swing trading with blue chip stocks, and then also focusing on some higher yield income stocks like real estate investment trusts and high yield funds. So a lot of different ways to play the market. Please let me know what you guys are doing with your portfolios. And not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Again, let me know about any good stocks that you have on your radar. Always interested in dividend capture stocks or other stocks that are very good for swing trading. Definitely appreciate all of the suggestions so far on the portfolio. Been definitely going through some of those and maybe posting some videos about some of the stocks. So thank you very much for that. So kind of with that, I'll end the video and we'll see you guys next time.